Hello and very welcome to presentation number 9. In our previous presentation we discussed the subject lines. Now we came to the heart of your message. Email marketing is the heart of your business. And if you implement it on the right way, you can make a lot of money with it. I have been giving you an example from the GV account of John Thornhill on page 6 of your ebook, so you can read it back there in detail. And what I want to say here is engaging and creatively designed emails that act like a trigger that tempts customer to click your link and find out more. Here I give you 4 tools to make your mail very attractive. And yes, indeed, in my next presentation, I give you another 4 tools to make your email message very attractive on a professional way. What it is important, and that's also the reason that I put again this here, keep it simple, keep it honest, keep it real, keep it as real life. Keep it simple means that my advice is don't go for any complexities. It's my advice, but also my experience. Complexity distracts your readers and makes it too overwhelming for them. So, if you want to hold your readers' attention from the beginning to the end, then go for a crystal clear text message that is easy to create. Also, what you see here, point 2, is that less is more. Less is more. What I mean by this is let your text breathe sometimes. Breathe, I mean you write a paragraph, but make a smart use of white spaces. The human brain will scan, interpret and break down elements much better and quickly when texts are arranged strategically with white spaces. Therefore, less is more. And another one here, yes indeed, less is more. As we all know, we live more and more in an online world, with the result that your audience attention span is getting shorter than, let's say, 15 years ago. So what I want to point out here is avoid long paragraphs and big sentences. Use short, sweet, yet effective text. Another one here, point 4, is emotainment. What is emotainment? Yes, that's the question, of course. Emotainment is a combined word from emotion and entertainment. So write texts that are easy to read and that entertain your audience, that make your audience smile. And emotion is, for example, a shocking subject line that triggers your reader is a form of evoking emotion. So, in other words, emotain, emotion, entertainment, emotain your audience. It is also fun, very important that you have fun with it. This is the first part of the tools to make your mail attractive, and in the next presentation, it's already presentation number 10, there I give you another 4 tools how to make your email on a professional way attractive. So thank you very much, and I see you in the next video.